We are starting in approximately now. Okay. I gotta get better with that. How's it going, everybody? My name is Vasu Nepali. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're new in general, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. If you're a returning viewer, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It actually helps the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, I don't even know where I was going with that. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in. So, in the last video, we left off analyzing the files that would have helped us, figure out where we were using the old input system and where we would have to make the changes to. And I think I missed one, but I don't think I missed one. Okay, so I don't think this file really needs it, so... Feels weird streaming without music. It's just a personal reference. I have nothing else to do tonight, so I'm gonna focus on getting this done. I know I don't stream in the evenings during weekdays, but I'm really passionate about finishing this task, so... It's, let's put it this way, it's not something I can really put off. So yeah, let's begin. First thing I'll do is download the new input system. And I think that's in here. Package manager in the Unity registry. There's definitely alphabetical order. Okay, here it is. It's weird you have to do it for every project. I'm just gonna let this do its thing. We're gonna implement it in the most simplest way possible. They're probably wondering, how? I'll tell you how. Let me do something really quick. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I just wanted to, not show critical information. Okay, let's see. Restart the editor. Yeah. That was a cough. Oh, you're implementing the new input system now. Nice. Yeah. I mean, I was always kind of on the fence. Like, it was more of a question of when should I do it. So, but the timing couldn't have been better. I do like, the moment we met, I was like, the moment you mentioned it, I was like, okay. And you did make a compelling case to do so, so I was like, yeah, I'm down for that. Ooh. The worst part about doing this is your editor restarts, and so I probably should have done this sooner before I let it grow to an obscene. Alright, what do I do from here? Let's see, file. Do I go into settings? Project settings, okay, from here. Input manager. Input system package. That's weird. Where do you I know there's a place you have to go to if you, maybe it's already there, I guess, I don't know. Let me see if it knows. If I wanna use both the new input system and the old input system, which settings would it be? No, you need to create an input action. Right click in the file area and create input action. Under others, okay. Actually, what I was really wondering is going to project settings. Hold on, I misread that. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so edit project settings. Navigate, now select player. I'm in player. Under other settings. Did I seriously forget how to read? Other settings, and other settings, look for active input handling. Okay, I guess it's already set there. Whatever, dude. The default settings should work with both input systems, I think. Yeah, okay, so that is the default system. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that was the case. Okay, so let's actually create the setting. So create. Where's my input action? Input action. What do you want me to call it? Let's see. I'm gonna call this something. Player input handler. Player input actions, I feel like is an appropriate name. Let's see, rename player input actions. Alright, I don't know if this is the best way to do it. Open the input action and define your input actions. Okay. Let's see if I remember anything. Moving is gonna be Actually, wait, there's a better way to do this. I just remembered. This is not the way I did it before. Okay, this is my player. Player input. Create action. Okay. There we go. That's what I was looking for. So you got the player. Move. Look. Fire. I don't know why it said like different action maps. So for the look, you can use the pointer, the right stick, which is the gamepad, and then whatever, I don't know what this is. Fire is the right trigger on the gamepad, left, okay, so this is already configured. Move, WASD. Yeah. I like this. Okay, so let me see if I remember. So I have this set up here. Player input actions. Okay. Let me see if I remember anything. Alright, let me go to my player controller really quick. Look in here. Let me set up the input system, and the way I'm going to do it is this. Let's do it right here. Ow. These headphones, man, they make my ears itch. Alright, let me see if I can serialize these first. This was the solution I saw somewhere, and it kind of made sense at the time. Here it is. You know, I don't really like this. Having second thoughts. Actually, the way I'm thinking. If you can call what I'm doing thinking. No. Did I accidentally delete something? Actually, no, what I'm doing is, what I'm thinking is that. At the end of the day, I'll figure it out, I'm sure. Okay. I'm pretty sure we don't need this anymore. Because, here's the thing, this already has the functionality I need, you know what I mean? So I don't really know if I need this here, because I'm not doing any sort of event driven. I'll leave it in here for now, but then if it turns out I don't really need it, then I'll just leave it alone. Okay, now let's see what we have to do. Now, I got two assets here. I got the move action and the fire action. And I need an on enable and on disable. Do I do that before the awake or after? Okay, on enable and on disable. Let's do that like right here. Okay. I got like another window open, so if I don't see your message, please don't be offended. What's this? Player actions, find action that player. Move action, we'll say that's like the move action, fire action. Redefine these goals. I don't know if this is like the best way to do it, but you know. There might be like a million ways of doing this, but I like the old input system. Like just the syntax of it anyway. Okay, but now let's do an on disable. And now let's do the same thing. Wait a sec. I don't really want the fire action in here, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Because all I really care about in this one specifically is the move action. I literally lost my spot. There you are. Okay. So now let's see what we got here. I find Copilot incredibly helpful for the new input system. You can still use, okay, so keep the old system code, add the new system code. Alright, that's what I'm doing. Enter. No, dude, that's not what I meant. Sorry, y'all get big. No, there is no turn action. Okay, now it understands what I mean. I'm good. Okay, so for the new input system, so I'm just going to comment this out, just in case we run into any issues. The new input system, you can never trust this thing, you know? Take that, post it there. Okay. still afloat. I'm not defining these globally, at least I don't think. The move direction... Okay, that makes sense, right? Because move direction Y is like forward and backward. But we're assigning it to the Z value. And so it shouldn't really interfere with anything else here. It's always one way of finding out, though. Hopefully this works. Let's try it. The only way to test to see if something works, you test it out. Okay, so yeah, definitely seems a bit smoother. Okay, there's a problem. A slight problem. Doesn't know. Because here's the thing. Let's just say, like, I switch it back to the old input system. Okay, so let's just say I do that. It stops. Here, let me share my code. The new input system, when I release the key or S key, doesn't stop the player. Alright, let's see why that's happening. It sounds like the player keeps moving because move direction is being reset. When the keys are released, you need move direction set to 0 when there's no output. Here's the updated version. What is it? Oh. That's it? That's all I have to do? Set the move direction to 0. Is that the best way to do it? Because I'm not entirely convinced it is. I feel like that's just like a patch. I don't think that's like a true fix, though. I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll test it out. I mean, it works. There's one other thing I want to check. Man, I'm like cranking out content this week. Streaming a lot more. It's crazy, isn't it? Okay, let's figure out why that's happening. For some odd reason, the turn direction tends to be a bit bizarre. So I'm not sure why that's happening. So let's figure that out. Remove direction Z. Turn direction is moved horizontal, so that's what it would be. Okay. So why is that happening? Are you serious? Oi. You know what? I'm just gonna... I guess doing it all in one method was a mess. It was a disaster of an idea, so I'm just gonna, like, copy this. And move it down here. And, you know, comment this. I'm sorry. Hold on. Wrong method. Alright, I feel like Bing AI is way more optimized for... Do I have to import anything up here? Let's see. Turn smooth time, I don't know what that... Like, do I still use that somewhere? Alright, let's try this. What I'll do is I'll just comment out all this stuff up here. And I'll just like copy this stuff here. And try that out. What seems to be the problem here. Did I forget to bring some variables? Ah, here it is. Smooth turn direction. So I need all this stuff. Actually, you know what? I don't think I need all that. Because here's the thing. I'll make this a private variable eventually. And I guess I do need a turn speed. What is turn speed? Where's that even coming from? Oh, okay, that's where it was. Okay. Turn smooth velocity. You can do that, right? That's a valid thing you can do. Okay. So let's see if that actually works. Unassigned local variable turn smooth velocity. You know what? I think I'm just gonna Yeah, I think some optimization must be in order. Okay. I learned this from Brackeys, just so you know. Brackeys taught me. Well, he didn't really teach me, I just picked it up from him. It's a Visual Studio trick. Alright, so now I got all that. I'ma just take these global variables. Just move it right here. Now I don't have any errors. Okay. Alright, so now let's actually try this out. And pray that it works. Frickin'. What is going on, bruh? It's whirling. I think my turn speed is like way too Who messaged me on Discord? Oh. Okay, let me reel this down. Let's try it, like, when I test these, what I always like to do, okay, that is way too fast. Let's, turn that off. Okay, so that's way too fast. Let's mess with this value here. Still too fast. What if I go all the way down to like 10? Now it's slower. Okay. Say if I increase that speed. Not as fast as I want it. I guess there was something with the old input system that sort of... And now we're sort of getting there. We're getting there. It's still kind of slow. Not really. Okay, that's still noticeably slow, so let's turn it up to like there. Okay, we're getting closer. See, it's all about like fine-tuning. Doesn't really feel smooth. What was this number? Okay, so like somewhere between 38 and 40. Let's try 39.2. Okay, that's... It almost feels like an improvement. What do you think? Yeah, there we go. That's what I was thinking. Okay, so it does stop when I want it to stop. And yeah. So this definitely does feel like somewhat like an improvement. I'm not even like... Why? This doesn't even have a trigger. So it is a bit weird why it's like colliding. It shouldn't even do that. Okay. Maybe it looks like it was colliding, but it really wasn't. Alright, so that's one. Now, let's see. We got the tank turn pivot, and turn look at script actually has an input. But that's not where we're doing it. We're doing it on pointer. And we do have the script pointer, so there we go. Where's my player controller? we're gonna pretty much use exactly the same sort of logic. Where's my pointer? I have memory of a flea. That's why I always keep going back and forth. So, not even joking. Okay. So now what I want to do is add the new input system to this script. So let me get my player controller like right here, so it's in the right spot. Okay, this shouldn't even be there. I don't know. I guess it really doesn't matter. Smooth turn direction. Guess this doesn't really matter. Okay. I don't know if this will really matter much, but we'll try it. Let me just make sure I didn't break anything. I probably did with the addition of that script. Maybe I didn't. Oh. Okay, so we decided that 39 was the appropriate change. You know what? I said it before, I'll say it again. 37.2. And we'll do level essentials, overrides, apply, and then go into the tank. Should go into here and applying it here as well. Yeah. Alright, the pointer though. We're back to the pointer. The pointer script. We don't have anything in here, but we will. Okay. Now, the pointer is responsible for the look. So instead of calling it move, I'm going to call it look. And how do we even set this up? We need this. Now we got problems. Still want the player. I don't know why we have 3 semicolons rather. Player controller. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Now there's one thing that we're not quite doing. Now, this is actually what I want to change. Oh, yeah, hold on. You know the golden rule of GPTs in general? Do not trust their word. Not even joking. Actually is a golden rule. Like... Okay. Let me actually see if this works right out of the box. Let's see if GPT is good at programming. Well, it's not really. Yeah. Oh, you know why it's not good at programming? It's because I'm not good at programming. I'm kidding. I'm okay. A lot of people assume I'm good. In reality, I'm really not. It's because I didn't assign that asset. You gotta assign your things. Okay. It's pointing to the bottom of the screen. I don't want it to do that. Hold on. Try that. And hope that works. So when we end up with his own clown show. Alright, let's try this now. Wait, what did I do? Wait, I think I already did this. Alright, let's try that again. No, it's still not doing it. Oh wait, hold on. Timeout. Okay. The new input system is definitely more challenging. Especially if you have code that's in the old input system. Although, I don't really know if that's true, you know? Might be true. Or it might not be. I don't even know what I'm saying. Alright, let's try this. Let's get rid of this, because clearly this is the one I'm trying to. And I got one error. Where? What? Oh. Actually, I just want to replace all of those. That's all I'm going to do. I don't have any errors. Good. Well, this time around, anyway. Is a plane ground actually set at y equals 0? Yeah, it is. Okay, good. So that's true. Okay, I threw something at this. Let's see if it works. Still not working. Where's my pointer? There you are. I remember to save. Constant back and forth. This is what debugging actually is like. Hopefully this might be it. This actually might be the solution. Oh shit. Hold on. Oh shit. Holy shit. Okay, I'm gonna get demonetized, but I'm not even monetized, so whatever, dude. I don't really care. Okay, why is this working? Mouse. Current. Position. Read value. Okay, I guess there is no like one size fits all. When it comes to like the new input system. So this doesn't really make okay. Do we still need the look action? Because it seems kind of useless. That's what I want to know. If you're using to get the look action, is it initially needed to handle mouse movement? No, but since we're not directly accessing the mouse position, it can be removed. So we don't even need that anymore. Okay, let me put it this way. I feel like we still would need that. But here's the thing. If we're using a controller. So I'm just gonna leave this off. Oops, sorry. And leave this stuff off too. There. All better. Okay. Ugh, I'm getting a bit allergic and asthmatic. It's nothing serious, but, you know, it is kind of getting a bit annoying. Okay. I have, like, terrible allergies. Alright. That's beside the point, though. Okay, so now, there's one more we need to do. The turret, look at, doesn't really need anything. Tank turret is what this is. But this would actually need the new input system. And I think I understand what we have to do. This one's a button. Alright, so if you actually look at the asset here, it's a button. Okay, let's close these, let's close these, let's close this, close that, close that, close that, close that, close that, close that. Close that. Close that. By the way, we're not quite done. We still have other stuff we need to do. Okay, I'll open up my pointer script shortly. Or player controller, rather, because that's where we actually set it up. So let's create a region for new input system. So that's where we're actually kind of doing everything regarding the new input system. Okay, and in here, let's do serialization of the input actions and fire action. That's what we need. So on enable. Assuming we don't already have it on enable, doesn't look like we do. So for on enable, you got all this stuff here. You also need an on disable. Okay. That's the bare minimum setup we need. Next thing we really need to do is, okay, so where are we using the old input system? And it actually showed us how to use the fire method eons ago. Okay, that's good. We're actually doing the... Okay, so let's see. Let's create another action. Swap. And so for here, this will be the right mouse button. I don't know why it has me do that. Okay, that looks correct. What is this? Okay. You also need a swap action. Okay, so far so good. There we go. Let me see. Alright, so where are we calling the fire action? Pretty sure that's in the update method. Okay. Literally the same thing here. Alright, actually I could see why people like the new input system. It's pretty versatile. Let's create one more. It's a keyboard and mouse action. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Let's do a space bar. And what did I call it? Shuffle. Do the shuffle. You guys know what that is? Okay. We want to disable it. Alright, I think those are all the actions and everything else we have. That's good. Hold on. The shuffle action, just want to check one thing. It is a button. It is actually a button. Wait a sec. What else is there? I don't... Okay, it really doesn't matter. We do have a swap bullets, which we created ad hoc. It's like one of the newer features. Okay, so this time around we're doing shuffle. Let me actually see if there's anything written about this. It's actually not that bad. Okay. Alright, now, let's test this. Tank turret definitely needs an input action. So we'll give him one. Let's try it. That works. That also works. Yay. New input system, FTW. Okay, I'll say this. I love it when it works, but I hate it when it doesn't. Now, I want to go into the game manager and try something there. This is just for my own curiosity. Obviously, it's not going to be the final thing, but... Let's see. We already have like a bunch of actions here, so private. Alright, well I still want this. Alright, I think that for something like this, I feel like that'd be a bit simple. It is a bit harder to read, but in my opinion, easier to use. Thank you. I'm pretty sure this will still work. This is cool. I love this. Oh my god. New input system, FTW. Let's go! Because you can literally define your actions. deserialized. But this seems a bit inconsistent, so let's we already have this created, so I'm just gonna take the liberty. Okay, so I literally have to search for it. God damn, bruh. Hold on. Alright. Pause is a button. Press escape to pause. There. Okay. You still need a pause action. Is that it? Let me see what else is there. Let's play the Candy EDM. There we go. I swear to God, finding music is like the hardest thing you can do. Because you don't know if it's like copyrighted or not. Actually, no. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Obviously this isn't gonna work. Because we gotta select the asset. Which I'll do right now. Okay. We should test this out just to make sure it works. Are you kidding me? I have to do a callback? The frickin' hell, man. Wait. Maybe that might be it. Let me try this way. Because I still want to, like, continue firing bullets. I keep calling them bubbles, but they're actually bullets. Even when you're, like... Let's try to... This is perfect! I love it! Bruh. Bing AI, or I mean Copilot, is superior when using the new input system. Sorry, ChatGPT. It never searches with Bing. That's not its default functionality. Alright, let me just playtest this. Otherwise this game is useless. But now the spacebar is definitely... I keep losing. This is really embarrassing. I'm just happy I got this to work at a short amount of time. Now, I'll have to do some extra configurations to get a controller to test this out with an Xbox controller. I don't really have a PlayStation controller at the moment. I'll have to obtain one first. So I'll definitely test it out with that too, and a Switch controller. You know. Global Tank Branzy. Here we go. Alright, I'm about to wrap up the stream. Because I specifically... Oh, I also made a tank controller. I made the exact player controller last year. I also made a tank controller. Oh, wow. Out of curiosity, did you take a Udemy course? I don't exactly remember the name of the course, but it was a top-down 3D shooter. And in the top-down 3D shooter, the instructor, designed the tank the exact same way. Vision cone. Vision cone. I don't know what that is. Is it a 3D? No, I learned everything from the doc. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, cool. That's something I actually, well, and I learned. Yeah, same here, same here. I went to school for CS. I went to school for computer science too. I don't know what they call it. In the United States, they call it computer science. The bulk of it is programming. But they don't really teach you programming. It's about, like, software principles and algorithms. There's a bunch of subfields in computer science. One's like networking. I don't think that. Data compression. Trying to think of the courses I took. Systems programming, network. There's a lot of different fields. Although I like game development, application development, web development. Administration. Oh, okay. Electronics. That's cool. Alrighty. Alright, I'm pretty satisfied with the progress we made. Let me just, like, do some last minute stuff. Make any changes in here? No, we didn't. Oh, we did. Nope. Didn't make any changes there. I know we definitely made changes in the tank. So, yeah, like server administration. Oh, information technology. That's interesting. Let me just make sure it works in the main menu scene. And also my other scene. Which definitely works. Yeah, I do server administration work. I don't like we're migrating to Ubuntu. Can't say anymore. Alright, I dragged this on long enough. This part might be edited out. I'll wrap it up here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It was nice chatting with you, and I'm really happy this went smoothly. I thought it would be, worse, but nah, it went pretty smoothly. Yeah, have a great time. Definitely have a great time. I'll be back tomorrow morning. If not, you can easily check you can check my YouTube channel out. I'll definitely be on there. Alright, for those who are watching, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to be awesome.